Alright guys, so tonight's the night. Oh god, it's a little slippery, but this is my campground for the area, camping area, I guess. Beautiful. Reese has some water to drink. Go ahead, go. Nice little spot for her to wade in. Yep. Nice. I wouldn't trade this for nothing, I guess. But I do like motels though. Hell yeah. It's a little slippery if you ask Murray. Alright, we got our bedding set out. So we picked another spot because somebody might be camping under the bridge. You have a full car, full cooler. They might not be sleeping under the bridge. They just might be like enjoying the remainder of the day. So it was a male and a female. So they looked like they were having fun at the creek or at the river around here. But yeah, so I ended up camping up on top of the hill here because the water came up a little bit since this morning or afternoon. So yeah, go. Alright, this is our downhill. We gotta go take a gander with you guys. Let's go and check this beautiful scenery out. Alright, we got deer prints, a bunch of deer out and about. So we was here earlier today. Heck yeah. So if you're wondering, come here, baby. If we're still in Mansville, no, we're not. So if you're one of them fuckers that likes to keep track of me, even though you think you can, we are far, far away from Mansville, per se. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Let the poochie dog wet her feet. Let's check up on the dog. What's the dog doing? Whew. What you doing, Poochie Poo? Poochie Poo! And we got a sunbound train coming in. Can't tell. Norfolk Southern. Norfolky Southern. Not the train that anybody wants to ride on, but it'll be doable. that somebody was going southy boundy. Let's see what the poochie do. There's a couple over there. Don't know what they're doing, but they're doing something. So yeah, this is what we're gonna get tonight to see. Beautiful view. All right, ladies and gents, we're walking about in 100-degree weather. We had a guy. Oh, I gotta clean you guys up. Sorry about that. It's still dirty. Alright. I think we got it fixed. I think. But yeah, we're gonna definitely try to get some nice footage and shit for ya. I gotta go to this park, charge up, and find somewhere to get some more water. Yeah, I know, I got a whole creek of it, a river of it. I know, I can go down there. But why? I want to be pampered. I want to stay pampered. You know? Alright, I just wanted to show you some little bit of nice areas. We'll see you soon. Probably at the park. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we made it to our little park here. But we look like we got some company in the sky. Lightning and thunder coming in our way till 7 p.m. So we're gonna chill here for a bit and see what the storm provides, because they're calling for severe thunderstorms. We got the pooch. Got the pooch. It doesn't look like that bad on this side, but you never know with thunderstorms. I kind of like this drawing they got over here, huh? I'm not gonna complain about it. It's pretty nice. It's all that beautiful. Yep. So I got my battery pack charging. I got my vape, my Bluetooth. And we got the puppy dog doing her puppy dog thing. It is pretty hot out here, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna order me some fucking Coke, because it's gonna rain and I don't want to be in the rain. Let's go. Ow, guys. This thing is thundering and lightning like no other. As soon as I hit the record button, it just stops. It's raining now. I'll be right back. Oh, there we go. It still has some distance to get here, though. Presumably. Hopefully. We'll be alright. But as you can tell, we got some thunder. Oh, I love a thunderstorm. Love a rainy night. Love a rainy night. Love a rainy night. You know? I didn't start the countage. But yeah. It's coming from up that way. Alright. Don't seem like much of a thunderstorm. But there sure is a lot of thunder. And that's what I'm going to be dealing with for the next 4 hours. What time is it? It's 5 or 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 4 hours. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Alright, here comes the rain. It's a coming. Well, thankful that I got here a little early, huh? Oh, I would have been in all that wetness. I'm not for it. Alright. It's coming in pretty good, dude. A wind blowing this motherfucker. It's coming down. You don't see this really on the west coast like this. You really don't. More of a east coast, central coast. People that move from the west coast to the east coast, they think this is super bad. When you're not used to seeing downfall rain like this, then yeah, you're gonna think this is pretty bad. It's definitely coming down. It's not subsiding any minute, but you never know. We got a little patch of dryness. Isn't that right, Ree? Alright, so we made it back under our pristine, damped bridge, and I gotta make sure I don't get drenched. But as you can see, too beautiful. We got, I think that's a doe, and that's a buck. We got two beautiful scenic animals. And yes, it is raining, so that's why we're under this bridge. Alright, gotta make sure I don't get wiped out. Yeah. Alright. This is gonna be the fun part. Alright. Let's see if they can spot us over here. They're definitely looking. That one is so clueless. It must be a yearling. Yep, they definitely spot us now. There's no doubt with that in the world. You can definitely see us. Which ain't that bad. And, yeah. What do you think about this, Ree? I really don't want to get wet. As you can see by the rain driplets, it's definitely raining. Our camp is down that way, but it's getting wet, so yeah, we're gonna stay dry as long as possible. But yeah, let's check up on that deer right there once before. It's definitely a doe. It does see us. Heshoo! Heshoo! What do you think about all that stuff, Ree? We are gonna be camped over there. That's our stuff over there. Sure. So, I was gonna chill out, but I think I'm gonna go live and hang out with you guys. Hell yeah. Alright. What are we thinking about, Ree? This is our spot. I'm gonna put a tie out right over here for her so she doesn't run after any critters, because that would suck if she did. But yeah, that's a pretty one right there, eh? Well, that way is going towards Philadelphia. Well, Harrisburg. NEFFEX Southern stop right there. Really right there. Hell yeah. So me and my dog was just waking up to a beautiful fucking morning. Hell yeah. What a gorgeous. I believe this guy swept here from the last flood they had. Or whatever. River rising. This is pretty heavy to move. You can't move that without some tropical force behind it. And yes, I do have my dog on a tie out. It's called good dog dad behavior. Yeah. Now we got northbound coming in. I got prime seating here, bruh. Prime seating and don't have to go up front straight. I gotta just watch trains all day. All day and every day. Until this case course is over. Case Court. My bad. Huh. There we go. What we got here? My favorites. General Motor Fest. Nah, GMs, yo. Those are one of my favorites. For going long distance, I love me some intermodals, guys. Ain't gonna lie. Some of you foamers, train enthusiasts, you guys go buck wild over these fucking things. Really buck wild. You know what I kind of find funny? My dog going after pigeons. Get it. Hey, hey! There you go. So this line is going to Selkirk. Possibly dropping something off in the Kearney yard. That's the biggest yard before you leave Kearney. I don't understand why they had to stop for CSX. They're on a total different line than Norfolk Southern or CSX. It's probably no. I didn't hear the crossings go down, so they must be on that line. Huh. But I think they're on a different line, though. Because that first set of tracks right there is Conrail. Who knows, my guy? Who knows? Well, shit, fuckers. We'll see you next time on Jose Sanders Journeys. It was a pleasure hanging out with you. Peace for now, guys.